ready for some fishing. We're on the Hurricane SunDeck Sport 231, and it's powered with a Honda 225 outboard. This boat is set up for some serious fishing, and there's a lot of fun little amenities on this as well. But check out this little washdown. Even comes with its own sprayer. As you can see, this ski tow bar is going to get a lot of good use with this 225 from Honda. And because this is a great fishing model, they even thought to include 4 places for your rods. There are a lot of really unique fishing amenities on this boat, including aerated live wells, rod storage everywhere you look, plus just great overall places to store your gear. All right, with this center console design, you drive from the left side, but we love how this Garmin's dead center, easy to see, built into the dash so you know it's not an afterthought, and just everything else about the console we really like. There's plenty of room to move around when you're fishing, but it's also very unique and stylish as well. Obviously designed to be a great fishing boat, this is also a great performing boat. With that hydraulic steering and the ski tow pylon, you can have a lot of fun with this boat as well.